guys, welcome to this week's vlog. Today I'm gonna be doing a lot of filming today, I think. I got my Jon Snow doll from 3.0. Probably not relevant anymore, but I ordered it from 3.0, direct from 3.0 months ago. And I only got it yesterday, so I'm gonna do an unboxing video of that doll, and I'll probably do a comparison against the first Jon Snow doll. So this is season 8 Jon Snow, because the first one was a bit weird and out of disproportioned. So yeah, I want to do a video on that. I got 2 Naruto figures in the mail from Toreba as well. So I got Gaara and I got the Sage Mode Naruto, so I'll do a video on those. And I'll probably do a comparison of the original Vibration Stars Naruto and the Sage Mode Naruto, because they're exactly the same but with sage eyes. So I'll probably do that. So there's 3 videos there, and I'm also going to be doing a video for my Patreon. So I'll be finishing off my kangaroo doll, and then the Patreon video will be eyelashes. So I haven't gone into any detail about eyelashes before, so I will be filming that process. And if you want to have access to that, you can get it for $5 and up, and you can get access to a whole lot of other videos that are already up there as well, and other content like printables. So yes, that will be going up on my Patreon soon, once it's filmed and edited. And then so yeah, a couple of videos to film for, and then obviously the vlog. So I guess I better start doing some stuff. It's pretty hot today, so the heat's back in, well, Melbourne at least. So I'm pretty sure it's going to be pretty difficult with the fires again. Probably going to start back up. They never stopped anyway, so they're just burning even more ferociously. But yeah, this weather isn't really helping, so yes. And also I just wanted to touch on the donations that I wanted to do for the kangaroo and the platypus doll. I was originally going to donate to Wildlife Victoria, but I've always sort of had a bit of suspicions around government funded charities. I never really trusted them because they tend not to actually spend the money on what people are donating for. So, for example, the Red Cross, never wanted to donate to the Red Cross, basically because I don't trust them, and it has pretty much come to the attention that out of the millions of dollars that people have donated for people and restoration and, you know, people to rebuild their houses, they're not actually giving the money to the people that you have donated it to. So they're keeping a huge percentage of the donations to future catastrophes, which is ridiculous, because why start a charity for a particular cause if you're not going to spend the money on it? So yeah, any of those are out of the question for me. Definitely not. Any government funded things are kind of out of the question for me as well, which is a shame, because, you know, they can be so transparent about saying where the funding is going and then not actually spending it. I know one of the charities were going to spend millions of dollars from from the donation pool on tourism advertising specifically, and that just doesn't sit right with me. So I'm going to do a bit more research and find if I can find a small rescue group that's actually doing work. So basically little rescue groups that are feeding and giving medical to wildlife. It's going to be difficult to find, but I know I'm on a page on Facebook where they give call outs for small people that are taking care of the wildlife, so they need food and medical supplies. I know there's also an Aboriginal group that is doing a lot of work trying to help all the animals and stuff, so I'm gonna try and hunt that group down because I don't know what it's actually called. But a friend of mine sort of mentioned that she had come across a group like that, And yes, I will definitely try and find it. It's just it's a shame that you can't really trust the charities that are being advertised, especially if it's overseas as well. All you really get is you get media outlets that are controlled by one man, and that's Murdoch. And it's just a shame to see the same organisations being pushed and then them keeping the money. So that sucks. But anyway, that's capitalism for you. So yeah, I'm going to try and find a group, a small group somewhere, even just buying supplies and taking them to a donation thing as well. Food and medical supplies, that would really help them as well. Anyway, I better start doing some stuff and stop rambling. Okay, so I won this little Chokorin mascot. I totally forgot that I'd won it. So I'll open it up on the vlog, and then if you want to see the other videos of the figures, then they'll be out their own separate videos. But you have, I don't know what they are. I think they're key rings or something. But you can get the option of Shikamaru, Lee, Kakashi, Naruto, Sasuke, and Sakura. Obviously hoping for Kakashi. But probably not, knowing my luck. I never get him. I'll probably get like Sasuke. But I think they're key rings. I'm not sure what they are. Mascot things. Yeah, I got Kakashi. Lol. So Kakashi, I got Kakashi. Oh, cute. So it comes this little Kakashi figure. Cats with boxes. It's like a little stand thing, and it's kind of like a rubber or something. How funny. And it has a little stand that has pegs in it that apparently sticks on like that. And then you have a little figure like that. That's top heavy. Very cute. Anyway, I can start opening all the other figures. So I'll show you. So I've got Naruto and Gara. Yep. Alright, I'm gonna film the rest of them. today? Friday morning. Probably not going to get anything done today because I have a bit of a busy day doing other stuff. So I'll show you what I did yesterday. So I got a commission for, like, I put a call out for a commission slot open, and I got one for a silverback gorilla, which is pretty cool because I've never done a primate before. So yeah, completely different sculpting and doll technique. I haven't really seen very many primates either, so definitely want to explore that a bit more. And yeah, it's completely different from what I normally do. So yes, I did some sculpting yesterday. It's not finished, so I've still got a little bit more to go, but started sculpting the head for the gorilla. Try and make it a bit darker. Yes, so I've still got a bit to go. It's not finished. So the entire video of sculpting will be in my YouTube in the coming weeks. I still have to add all the details and the eyes, and I've kind of kept it a bit skinnier. I know, like, gorilla heads aren't this skinny, but what I planned for is when you add the faux fur, it gives it more bulk. So I always tend to make my dolls a little bit skinnier and then bulk it out with the fur, and that way you can sort of manipulate it a bit more. So just a little tip for that when you're sculpting things, because if you sculpt it the right size, then the doll ends up getting bigger, and then sometimes it's disproportioned. So it's always good to keep in mind that you can bulk out things with faux fur. So that's what I tend to go for. So I sculpted this out of Sculpey Original, which I need to get some more because I'm almost plumb out. I ordered some from Officeworks here in Australia. I ordered a 7 kilo box of it, and for some reason, I don't know why they had it available on their website, but they refunded me the money because they didn't have any in stock, so go figure. So they don't have any white in stock, which is really annoying because I like to sculpt in white, and Officeworks is the cheapest place you can get it here in Australia. If you get it over $50, you get free shipping, so it's so much cheaper than everywhere else. So now I probably have to go and spend an extra $10 on one in a shop, which is a bit poo. But anyway, that's what we have so far. I kind of intended it to be a bit smaller, but whatever, it turns out the way it turns out, right? So yeah, there we go. I might sort of bulk it out a little bit here because I don't think the bones are that pronounced on gorillas, but maybe I'll leave it and bulk it out with the faux fur. But yeah, so I've done that yesterday, and I also finished off my kangaroo doll. So those two, kangaroo and platypus, are ready to be ready for a photo shoot. So I need to take some photos, and then they should be available this week sometime, and also the videos as well. I still haven't found a charity that I am happy to donate to, but I'll still keep looking and see what I find. But anyway, I did a whole lot of filming yesterday as well. So I filmed a 3-0 Jon Snow season 8 unboxing and review, and sort of a little match up compared to the first Jon Snow. It's really interesting to see the old one, and the Castle Black Jon Snow, that is, and the season 8 Jon Snow. They've really improved, so I've got to take my hands off to 3-0 for showing that much improvement. And also did 2 Toreba unboxings, 1 Gara and 1 Naruto, so that'll be coming up as well. I just have to edit everything, but that's pretty much it. Probably won't have much to film today because I don't have time. So yes, if I don't catch you anymore, then yes, thanks to my patrons for supporting me. I really appreciate it. If you want to support, my Patreon link is in the description box. You get access to a whole lot of videos and discounts and early access and printables every month. So yes, head there if you're interested in that. There's a whole lot of different tiers for everyone. And Instagram and Facebook, you can catch me on Creatures of Nat, and on creaturesofnat.com is my shop. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.